Josh, sorry, going to the trailer. He's looking as well.
I mean, I always enjoy these kind of things a little bit, and I get anxious before them a little bit, and yada yada. But to experience it on home turf, it's kind of, you know, the crack element, the good fun element is kind of magnified. You know, it's really nice to be home here and support Irish film and homegrown talent. It's very important, actually, you know.
I'm certainly not as nervous as I was the first time something like this happened, or anything like that. But it's definitely just as exciting and just as thrilling to be nominated.
No, I don't write speeches under any circumstances. I think it's unlucky. But it's very nice to be nominated. I like the other performances. I've seen Brendan Gleeson as Winston Churchill. I think he's magnificent. So, I'm not quite sure I fancy my chances, but it's really nice to be nominated.
You know what, I try not to think too much about it on a personal basis, just because, you don't want to feed the beast. So, it's fantastic. It's the ice, it's all bonuses. I mean,
John, you're doing very well. And they asked me why I came to Ireland.
And some of my own old chums are here, like Brendan, like Colin Farrell, Matt Dillon is here, Aidan, the boys you were talking to before. It's going to be a lot of fun.
The special one.
It's very gratifying, and I'm very happy there's so many actors and crew that I've worked with here, and seeing them and seeing them again, and it's very enjoyable indeed.
He's the most amazing director and person. It's one of the most humble human beings I've ever met in my life and in the work. So for me, it was an absolutely yes to come and honor him tonight.
I'm going to be presenting the award for emerging talent for up and coming. I honestly can't say that I know all these people. I've gotten a little rundown on some of them, but that's what I'm doing. I'm here to present.
But it's all right if you don't know them because they know you.
Exactly, and they're new, and that's the whole thing. This is a way of introducing these new talented people to the world. I mean, at least to Ireland for now.
I grew up in kind of an Irish household, so we've come here a few times on family vacations. I love Ireland, so I've got a few friends here, so just felt like it would be nice to come.